this video tutorial, we'll go through a Matlab network installation. Before you start, open up your internet browser, go to my UMBC and log in, because you're going to need the installation keys that's shown here, and that will prompt you during the installation wizard. So you can minimize that. Once you've downloaded the ISO images and burned the DVDs, it will start with asking you to run the setup program. So we're just going to select that. So all the files are now ready for installation. Select from this dialog box, select install using the internet. And then go ahead and click next to begin the installation setup. And you want to accept the license agreement. You can scroll down and read this. And then click next. Now from this dialog box you want to click on provide file installation key. And this is why we needed the my UMBC. I've got the R2012B, so I'm just gonna copy this. And please note that this license does expire. We do try to put that information available to you. So on my keyboard I'm just gonna press Control C, which is a shortcut to copy onto the clipboard. Go back to the installation and then Control V to paste that data, and then go to the next step. We're just going to select the typical and click next. Now it's just asking you that if it's okay to save the Matlab program into this location, and click next. And it's saying you don't have this directory, do you want us to create it? So click yes. And then for this particular one you want to browse to the location of the license file you've downloaded from my UMBC. So we're going to go back to our my UMBC login, and if you click on that and click continue, it's going to show you the information actually. So let's try to see if we can download instead. And I'm just gonna leave it in my downloads folder and hit save. Okay, it's not a very big file. Go back to the Matlab installation, and I'm gonna go to my downloads folder. And this is where I've saved the license file. Your path might be different, so you just have to pay attention where you've saved your network license. And after you've located, hit select. and then click next, and it'll show you which components will be installed, and click install from here. And it does take some time, but it will install the network version of Matlab.